hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? New link on the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.
In this time of people, I know you're staying home and people are wondering where are going to get that money. Oh my, well, so easy, so done. Now is the time. By simple doing, simple advertisement, oh, you can make so much money. And now Newlink just going to show you how. I'm going to leave some link below the video. You can click on those links and it will to where you can make those money. I'm telling you, plenty money. Blessings, viewers and subscribers. Big up in the cell, man. I don't know what's a Newlink there from Newlink production. So right about now, people, we know a lot of people been thinking, been wondering what's really going on with Ryan King now, because from the last time they hear when they did make a move with him because of security reasons, a lot of people never hear nothing about the entertainer. A lot of people are wonder what's really going on. Well, people, news reaching Newlink, Ryan King is still in hospital, you understand? But the thing that's been happening right now, they going to move Ryan King again. And the movements, them now come off like say high security reasons, because they don't need 24-hour security system for Ryan King right now. But he's being monitored by a strong security system right now. You understand? That is well governed. So in the end now, people, all them say now, the doctors are doing a really great job, nurses, everybody, to ensure Ryan King go through him healing process. But he's not bad like when many people be thinking that just because them here say him now come out and this and that, you know what I mean? But remember, people, Ryan King was relocated 11 days ago, and because when them did say a group of man did show up at the hospital and thing, you know what I mean, and police did take in the man them, well, after then did release and thing. So now the update that is coming now to Newlink people is from a person, and them so that person just trying to be anonymous because of certain reasons, because you don't know what one people is a person who did went to the hospital the first time, you know, because the video that was shown from the hospital down there in Falmouth, people, and them say it never, you know what I mean, it never suitable or fit, you know what I mean, for no say your hospital a show up when they and them don't know who is behind this or whatever really are going. So them have to just try to keep the artist security good, you know what I mean, for ensure same okay and things. So in the end, people, still pray for the king because him still in hospital, you know what I mean, but they said they're gonna move him again. And as me tell her, them now say nothing serious where him and no big problems are because you know man come there to kill him or nothing like that, you know what I mean. But the reasons for his movements again, he hasn't reached the Newlink people. So you don't know any update we get on Ryan King, people, we definitely are gonna make you know, because you don't know Ryan King is a really great entertainer, is a good entertainer, people, and we just hope and wish that's it all the time when he can get for go through him healing process, people. He do gets it, and I'm so grateful and thankful for know say him is getting better and better on a daily basis, people. And you know what I mean, as them say, he don't need the 24 hours thing again no more, which is great, you know what I mean. But he's still being monitored by a strict security system, you know. But it's not like say before, you know, people, the first time then they have security like 24 hours watching him this every move, everything. But now it has been different because the movement so them I make with them, people, you know what I mean, it is really good, it is really great, and not like them not disclose nothing, but you know, just wish the king the best, man. And you know what I mean, the king are gonna come out strong, and you know what I mean, I come doing dancehall music again. But as I tell you in a previous video, king, just stay safe and stay blessed, and you know what I mean, brother, just speed the recovery. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers, man. This is Newlink from Newlink production, and you don't know, just giving you a quick update, people, and you know what I mean, just peace, love and respect, attack. And if you don't subscribe, please subscribe now. Yeah, man. All right, peace out.